Hello, welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am sharing part 3 of my summer home tour, which is my family room. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope that you decide to stay by pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And to my faithful and returning Diva family members, you all know how I feel about you. I love you guys dearly, and I'm so glad that you are part of this family. So I hope you enjoy, be inspired, and be blessed. Okay, I'm going to start at this area here. This is an area that I have claimed for my space, my sitting area. And everything that I have in this space, I shop my home for. This picture came from Target. This chair came from Big Lots along with the ottoman. And I'm using grays, off-whites, little touch of gold with the yellow. This lamp was a Ross find. My hubby had to have this lamp, by the way. On this table that I picked up from Home Goods, I have an orchid, a thrifted find, I guess you can call it a little ginger jar, and a candle. The blanket came from Amazon. But I love this space here. This chair is so comfortable. And I do my watching of the TV, all of my looking at social media right here. My relaxing, my reading, everything happens right here. And here is one of 2 sofas. And I kept it simple. I just placed some pillows on the sofa. And I have this C table that I picked up from Kirkland's. Just very simple. This sofa also came from Big Lots. Moving to the corner, I have my bistro set that I am so thinking of moving to my living room, but I have to find a spot for it in there. I don't want to overcrowd that space, but it will be perfect in my living room. But for now, it's sitting in this corner. I've placed some pillows on the chairs. I love orchids, so I have this yellow orchid, my Z Gallery boxes, the set of 2, and this beautiful silver ginger jar, small ginger jar from Home Goods. Those pillows are actually pillow covers that I picked up from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. Now I'm moving to my coffee table. This coffee table was also a thrifted find for $50, guys, and it is heavy. And I didn't really change much on this coffee table since Easter because I love the look. So it's very simple, not too much on it, it's just right. I think all I removed off of this table was a Easter bunny. I have another level at the bottom, but I keep it clear due to my grandson. He will pull everything off of that bottom level. Now moving to the TV wall, it's very dark. It's something with the lighting in here, so I'm going to get to another side and just show you pieces. This sconce or candle holder, I picked up a set of 2 at my SPCA thrift. And I have this metal piece above. I picked up the set of 2 of these candle holders, I think for $6. And here's another look at that TV wall. This is not how I want it yet. And if I can get my contractor in here, this will change. This is just me trying something on this sofa table. I just placed a large picture on the bottom, covered it, and placed a few items down there. So I'm thinking of getting a piece of glass cut to make another level even on this console table or sofa table. Again, this is temporary, and I'm hoping to get what I want done. I'm not going to even say this year, the beginning of 2021, because we're getting so close to the holidays. This is a view as you look into my, or from my kitchen nook. I love having the sofas facing each other and love this view. So right now I'll give you a couple of more glances of my family room. So don't forget to follow me on my social media sites and shop my Amazon store. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day and be safe. I'll talk to you real soon.